Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel and my name is Bumi. I'm the founder of Zibet Media Solution and I'm a certified digital marketing consultant. So today is going to be an unusual video and I want you to watch this video to the end. The topic of our today's content is how to be yourself as a YouTuber in front of the camera, how to be yourself. That is what we're going to be talking today. So if this connotes to your niche or you want to learn how to be yourself, why not stick to this video and watch it to the end. Let's dive into the main topic for today. Once again, I welcome you to my channel. This is Tech with Bumi, and for today's topic is how to be yourself, how to find your voice, and how to be confident on camera. Do you want to start your YouTube channel and you're thinking, oh, I don't know what people are going to say about me. I will tell you, if I can do it, then you can do it. And it's not about you pretending to be somebody else. Never for once, don't ever be like somebody else. Be yourself. Okay, so in this video I'll be giving you tips, seven tips, and I'll be adding a bonus to it because I don't want this video to be too long. So watch this video to the end and you grab this you grab the bonus. Okay, so if you're seeing my face for the first time, why not subscribe and join the family? So my number one point in having confidence in yourself is you find yourself. What do I mean by finding yourself? You believe in yourself. Everybody has their own personalities. Okay, everyone has their own personalities. You have to be confident about you. Everything has to be you. You have to speak up. You have to be audible. You have to practice regularly in front of the mirror, in front of your camera, in front of the house. You have to bring out your shell. Go out of your shell to put your voice out there. And if you're thinking that, oh, it's difficult to put your voice out there, you need to work on your personalities. Okay, everybody has personalities, and as you know, we have, we have 7 billion people in the world. Okay, so no matter how your personality is, people that love your content, even as I'm talking to you, people that love your content will subscribe to your channel, will love you for who you are. Do not ever pretend to be somebody else, okay? That is a very terrible mistake. Do not be somebody else. Be yourself. The worst thing I can do to you people that I'm talking to on this YouTube channel is to come and give you a false notice. I can't do that. Everything I put on my channel are my understanding, my knowledge, and most of it I've tried before. I can never deceive anybody, and that is myself. I'm being truthful to myself. So be confident in yourself. Your voice, you have to practice regularly. It's a gradual process. It might be difficult at first, but it's a gradual. Number two is do not be scared to start. Don't be scared to put yourself out there. Okay? How do you put yourself out there? If you have something valuable to tell the world, if you have a training, if you have a coaching, if you have something that is valuable to the world, why not bring it to the table? If you're a comedian and you're being shy, or if you're thinking that, oh, I'm a shy person, I'm a dog, I'm not active enough, just bring it out there. Someone out there is going to like your content. Someone out there is going to believe in you and subscribe to that your channel. Someone out there is in need of what you are hiding to yourself. And you will not even believe that you have the confidence to do this at the long run. So don't be harsh on yourself. Don't be timid on yourself. Be happy to show the world that yes, I can deliver. When you fall, you rise again. Okay? There's the life itself is a risky thing. So when you fall, you rise again. So don't be scared to put out yourself. In addition to that, I would want to tell you that you'll be scared to start. No doubt about that. You'll be scared, and it's a normal thing, it's a natural thing. But all you need to do is you keep on practicing. You don't have to be scared of anything. Okay? And pray to God for direction. And I believe that your journey will be smooth. Okay? So you don't have to you don't have to be scared. Just be yourself and start. Practice, practice, practice. Practice when you're alone. Practice speaking. You can go on Google, you get some free courses of speaking if you want to go professional, and the sky is your limit. Okay? So, and don't give up. Okay? My next point is do not compare yourself to others. Tell me, why do you want to compare yourself? You can't be me. I can't be you. You know that. So don't compare yourself with others. Be yourself, and the sky is your limit. People out there will love your personalities. Even when you speak anyhow, to be frank with you, I used to be a very shy person. I can't even believe I can stay in front of camera and talk to you people like that. But I just want to thank you. I want to say thank you to YouTube for letting me showcase my talent. Okay? So, what am I saying? Why do you want to be somebody else? Tell me. Comment below. Make this an interactive section. Comment below. Are you comparing yourself to somebody else? Type yes or no. Be yourself. Okay? Speak authentically the truth, no matter what it says. Speak the truth. Don't hide your opinions. Your opinions demonstrate the truth. Okay? Your opinion demonstrates the truth. So always be authenticated, or English, I don't know. Always be authentic in whatever thing you say to your audience. And it pays off, to be frank with you. It really pays off. You won't regret it. You won't regret it. Are you liking this video? Why not share, like, and join the tech family if you're watching this for the first time. Thank you. And my next point is how you think and how you behave matters a lot. So you have to practice, you have to think rightly, you have to be positive minded. You don't have to be shabby about yourself. No, you have to think right. You have to behave well because people are watching you. Because now, to start a YouTube channel, get ready to be a public figure. Behave yourself on camera and be decent enough and be nice also to your audience. So think rightly. Don't be negative about yourself. Tell me, why do you want to be negative about yourself? Don't be mean to yourself, okay? Say positive things. If you notice in this video, I've been saying it. Give yourself good affirmations, okay? Give yourself good vibes. Give yourself a good spirit. When you wake up, you pray to God, you tell God what you want, and be positive minded. Enjoy life the way it is right now. and appreciate God for the breath of life. Okay? So, why do you want to be negative? Be, be constructive. Don't be a destructive person. Construct yourself and don't destroy your life. So, if you're watching me, I hope I'm encouraging somebody in this video. So tell me, comment below, are you going to bring out your value to the world? It might not even be on YouTube. You can do it on Instagram. You can have a podcast. You can have it on a TikTok. You can have it on Facebook. Just choose anyone that suits you and build your value. Let people benefit from your value. Okay? And it pays off a long while. You might not get results immediately, but it pays off. Never you give up, and don't be negative about yourself. If you are enjoying this video, kindly smash the like button. It means a lot to me. Support me, and please don't skip this ad. Watch the ad and support this video. Share it out. Let it go viral. Okay? Let's impact someone's life in this video. With this video. Thank you. Another thing I want you to know is that you don't have to say, you might be filming and you'll be trying it 100 times to be, or you are doing a voiceover on a video and you're trying it, you're not getting it, and you say, oh my God, what the fuck? How can I do this? I cannot even achieve something to myself. I cannot even do this. I cannot do that. How do people, what do I want people to say about me? Simple video, I don't know how to do. I don't know how to film. My sister, my brother, please, don't say that to yourself. It's a natural thing. If you want to learn more about starting a YouTube channel, I'll put the link here. Watch the video. You learn in the process. You learn along the process of YouTube. Nobody started YouTube like a perfect person. Okay? So don't be mean to yourself. You need to be watchful of what we say with our mouths. Though, we say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Okay? So, say positive things with your mouth. There is a power in our tongue. Okay? There's power in the tongue. So, say positivity into your life. Say positive things into the life of people you know. And it shall come to pass one day. Say positive affirmations to yourself. If you want a video on affirmations, comment below. Okay? Say some affirmations to yourself to give you boost. So, we're almost done, but before I leave, I want to give you my time with yourself and relax yourself. Okay? Relax yourself. Bring it out. If you want to start a video, if you want to start filming a video, you choose a particular day to start filming your video. Like personally for myself, I have a filming day for my filming videos, and I can decide to film maybe 2 or 3 videos that day, or I split it into 2 days. So it depends on, I have a scheduling for myself. So don't be hard on yourself. I hope you gained 1 or 2 things in this video. Please share this video, like and share. See you in my next video. Peace out.